Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is High-Speed Motor. The 1/3 HP, 1900 RPM, 115 V. Permanent magnet motor, jams less. Easy installation and cleaning. EZ mount for a quick and easy kitchen sink installation. Removable splash guard for easy cleaning. 2-year protection. 2-year limited warranty. Current amps 4.0. HZ 60. Drain connection size 1.5 inch drain pipe. No electrical expertise needed. Pre-installed power cord. No electrical work required. Lightweight. Compact and lightweight garbage disposer saves space under the sink. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is Prep Series. Designed for those who slice, dice and peel as part of basic meal prep, and need a little more help with cleanup. Powerful grinding. 2600 RPM. Half a horsepower Vortex motor provides fast, powerful grinding of everyday food scraps and helps reduce jamming. Simple swap. Fits most existing assemblies, including other brands. Includes pre-installed power cord. Compact design. Compact design is lightweight for easy installation and frees up valuable space under the sink. Septic safe. Safe to use with properly sized septic tanks. Reduce waste. Disposals reduce waste sent to landfills, making them an eco-friendly option for your home. Built to last. 5-year limited warranty with in-home service guarantees. Help is there when you need it. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is Many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Host Series. Designed for those who frequently cook for guests and need advanced cleanup power. Powerful grinding. 2700 RPM. 3/4 of a horsepower Vortex motor provides fast, powerful grinding of tough food scraps and helps reduce jamming. Noise reduction. Designed with Sound Shield sound deadening insulation. Simple swap. Fits most existing assemblies, including other brand. Includes pre-installed power cord. Compact design is lightweight for easy installation and frees up valuable space under the sink. Septic safe. Safe to use with properly sized septic tanks. Reduce waste. Disposals reduce waste sent to landfills, making them an eco-friendly option for your home. Built to last. 10-year limited warranty with in-home service guarantees. Help is there when you need it. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is Reliable and easy install. Badger Series disposers are a reliable and functional choice when affordability is the prime concern, and features a compact, space-saving design that fits existing InSinkErator hardware for a quick and easy install. Durable components. This garbage disposal features our exclusive half-a-horsepower DuraDrive induction motor and long-lasting galvanized steel components to ensure a dependable grind for everyday food scraps. America's #1 disposer brand. There are more American built-in Sinkerator garbage disposals in U.S. homes than all other brands combined. A full line of models means there's one right for every need and budget. Faster, cleaner, smarter. From meal prep to cleanup, InSinkerator helps make it fast and easy to keep your kitchen clean with our iconic appliances. Garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers. A history of innovation for the sink. We invented garbage disposals in 1927, and were the world's largest manufacturer of garbage disposals and instant hot water dispensers for home and commercial use. Motor protection, manual reset overload. See more product details.